What happens when the son of a poor janitor refuses to give up? This story shocked an entire city. Ethan lived in a tiny apartment near the edge of the city. Every morning before school, he watched his father clean office floors while rich people walked past without even looking at him. One day, Ethan asked, "Dad, do people only respect money?" His father stayed quiet for a moment. Then he smiled. "No, son. They respect people who never give up." Those words stayed in Ethan's heart. At school, kids mocked his old clothes. Some laughed at his worn-out shoes. But Ethan had a dream bigger than his pain. Every night while the city slept, he studied beside a weak table lamp in his small room. Then disaster struck. His father lost his job. Bills piled up. Food became less. Hope became weaker. Ethan started working part-time at a grocery store after school. He was tired all the time, but he never stopped learning. Years later, the same boy who cleaned shelves became the CEO of a technology company. And one day, he returned to the same office building where his father once cleaned floors. But this time, everyone stood up to welcome him.